Okay, we are going to make a glitter mustache.
True story.
I can't smile or it won't be right.
Close your mouth. Okay,
I'm
ready? Ready?
Did it work? Did it work? No! Didn't go as planned. At all.
Go. Back up.
What? Give me a kiss.
Oh, bad idea.
Yeah. Bad idea. This is like not even just a mustache, just like goatee, beard, everything. You like it?
Bad idea. Didn't work.
Don't try it. Don't do the second one.